Hello Onshapers, welcome to another Onshape tech tip. When importing data into Onshape, you may find yourself needing to access files in multiple locations, including cloud storage providers. Onshape's out-of-the-box integrations with Dropbox, Google Drive, and Microsoft OneDrive make this movement of data easy and efficient. To set up the integration, simply navigate to your account settings, then to integrations. Select the integration you want to set up, enter your credentials, and you're all set. You can now access your cloud storage directly from your Documents page or from the Create dialog. You can navigate through the folder structure and even search for file names. Importing your data into Onshape is just a right-click away. No need to download and re-upload files. This is particularly useful since Onshape's document structure allows for intuitive management of supplementary non-CAD data. Exporting data back into your cloud storage can also be easily done through the export options. Note that Onshape Enterprise allows company-wide controls over integrations. And that's it. Whether you're migrating legacy CAD data or working with extended teams, check out Onshape's integrations to help streamline your flow of data.